ladies? How y'all doing? How you feeling? Seriously, how you feeling? Drop it down below. Thank you so much for tuning in to another review. Here we are, sis. And big thank you. We are getting into another unit by Outre. That's who. Before we do, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and of course ring the bell, drop your girl a comment down below. Now baby, this should be nice, short, sweet, and to the point. Let's go ahead and get into Miss Every 12.
For a training on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, chill on Saturday, and let's go on Monday. Looking for a training on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, chill on Saturday. But about a moment, but we Monday. For a training on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, chill on Saturday. Let's go on Monday. Looking for a training on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, chill on Saturday. But about a moment, but we Monday. For a training on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, chill on Saturday. Let's go on Monday. For a training on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday.
I see what y'all did there. I see what you doing. I see you, Outre. They came with another wig that you put on when you gotta go in and deal with them people. So here we are with the final thoughts on this unit by Outre, baby. I had to look up this unit and find out the price, sis. $28.94. That is the lowest I see this unit going for. Under $30, baby. Couple of specs on her. Of course, this unit is part of the Everywhere collection. This is Every 12. I do have it in the color number 2. Now it does come in a number of different colors, including the DRFF Honey Brown. Baby is working it on the stock card, and you do have, of course, a plethora of different colors, darling. So here we are, baby. I've done one other Every unit on this channel, and it was pretty much simple, straightforward, to the point. As we know, no fancy hairline on this unit. This is one of those units you put on when you got to go in and deal with them people. So pretty much comfortable cap construction. It is big head friendly in my opinion. You do get the eye part or middle part going down. You could go ahead and pluck it a little bit. It's a little toy. It's a little toy, Outre, okay? But I get the point. And of course, this texture, baby. Baby, they nailed the texture with the style. This is definitely on point. I really don't have any cons. Baby, she is layered. Do you see her in all her glory? Hello. So this is a really full unit. I'm really digging the layers on here, and they fall pretty much into place. The issue I had with the last one, the curls were kind of going blip, 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 blip. And these are just, baby, I mean, sis, you fluff it and she goes right into place. Hello. I'm not getting any shedding or tangling with this unit. However, it is synthetic. It's resting on my shoulders, sis. What do I say? Plan accordingly, slay accordingly. You know, she has a little bit of a sheen to her, a little bit of a high luster. We kind of shining. We a little shiny. You can go through with some dry shampoo, dull it a little bit, but baby, she is okay. Okay, Outre, hello, hey. So this is a pretty much straightforward, simple straight to the point review. I really don't know what else to say about this unit besides cop it for $28.94. Sis, if you are interested in checking out the information, I have a general link for all Outre units that they send me in the description box down below. Go to the Google site, pick your site, plan accordingly, shop accordingly, slay accordingly. So big thank you to Outre for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. More importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Thank you, ladies. Always a pleasure. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. Stay tuned for the YouTube shoutouts. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. I check it. Seriously, y'all. It's 5:30 in the morning, so I'm talking really low, okay? So as much as I love doing the YouTube shoutouts, guess what I did? I forgot to record it. So I will be highlighting this black owned company that you are seeing here. This is by Self Evolution 1. This is also close and dear to one of my subscribers. It is her business, so I definitely hope you guys check out her information in the description box down below. I'll also have her information in the pinned comments. I know a lot of you like them Bath and Body Works candles. Baby, it's time we get the support up. So definitely support the sister. Check out her website. Give her a follow. Drop her some words of encouragement on her Instagram. All that information, like I said, is in the description box down below. Big thank you to her for sending out these scented, beautifully scented candles. I definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out the full YouTube spotlight for her company, definitely hit up the review for Outre Noelani. That is the unit that I am wearing. And baby, y'all gotta see this blonde, honey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course drop your girl a comment down below. So thank you so much, all of you, for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Give yourself a big hug. Keep loving on yourself. Keep yourself first. As always, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.